Yes, you read it right. This is the new Beats Studio Buds. It's smaller. It's new to the family of the Beats. Apple released this today, which I bought it at Best Buy for $149.99. This has active noise canceling and transparent mode. On the side, basically it works with iPhone, of course, and Google Play, which if you have an Android phone, it will work. It will actually pair with your phone without even giving you any issues. Also on the back, it lets you know what kind of headphones you're dealing with. It says true wireless with USB-C charging port. So instead of the Apple standard port, you got a USB-C. So if you got that hanging around your house, you don't have to actually use the one that's inside the box, but you can use that to charge this case right here. On the other side, it says it has active noise canceling, which allows you to basically cancel out the sound without sound leaking out from your headphones, along with when you're listening to music, people won't hear the sound or the music coming out your headphones. Sort of like the AirPod Pros. Also, it has a powerful balance sound. So basically the sound will be leveled to your liking, and basically it won't be too loud and it won't be too low. So that's pretty good. So let's get this baby unwrapped and see what's in the box. What comes in the box? I mean, we got a idea of what comes in the box, but we want to see how this baby actually looks. Okay, so first off, we're gonna actually look to the back of it, and we're gonna actually pull this arrow right here. We don't have to tear open the box or go crazy, so just pull it nicely and then just basically pull it open easily. That's how it pulls open from the top. So if you look already, what's inside the box is basically, it seems like it's a USB-C poking out. So let's just pull that one out. I'm gonna pull that out. Okay, so we pulled out the USB-C to USB-C. So to charge this device, you're going to have a power brick that supports USB-C. So if you don't want to purchase another one, basically if you have a USB-C to USB port inside your house that you use for your cell phone, because a lot of the Android phones have these ports now, then you can use that and it will actually charge the device. But keep in mind, it won't charge as fast as you want it to charge unless you have a power brick that supports fast charging. So right here it says fast fuel, plus it says 5 minutes equals up to an hour. So if you charge these headphones for up to 5 minutes, that will equal up to an hour that you have a playing time. Now on the other side, it says great sound, start with proper fit, air tips inside. So these are the air tips. So Apple supplied us with different air tips. So basically we have, of course, they labeled them for us. We have a small at the top, and then we have a large. So if the medium that's on the headphones already doesn't fit, then basically you can try one of these tips so that you'll get a comfortable fit. So on the back of the pack where the earbuds and the USB-C to USB-C sits, basically it shows you like the play, pause, answer the phone, hang up, fast forward, or rewind a song, and it shows you like different kind of gestures, how it fits in your ear. And it says try me for free. It says Apple Music, complete your beats with Apple Music. So on the back it will show you that you get at least 3 months of Apple Music. Scan here. So it gives you Apple Music for 3 months for free, and then it has a little bit more, tells you a little bit how it will pair with your Android phone on one side, and how can you charge it, etc., etc. Open it, and it will also tell you how to pair it with Apple phones too. And it also comes with a Beats sticker. If you like stickers, you can actually stick this or save it for your souvenir. So throw that right there. So that's all. Oh, and it shows you a little bit of safety handling guides about like charging, etc., etc. And also shows you another one. And what else is in the box? So we have the actual headphones. So this is how small it is. They wasn't plain. They actually made it small Comes on this little cardboard, hard cardboard, so I guess, you know, during travel it won't break or damage, or the headphones won't, you know, come out, because they wrapped it like this so that, you know, when you take out the headphones originally, you have to basically, you know, rip this tag off, which we're going to do. So it shows you exactly how to rip the tag off. So we're gonna rip that, and it shows the Beats logo. We can actually get rid of this, but also if you want to pay attention to this, it says to pair, keep earbuds in case with lid open. So it shows you how to pair these earbuds. So simple, so easy, and you don't have to worry about basically, you know, pressing a button on the back or anywhere. You know, the USB-C port is underneath, so that's where you charge your headphone case. So the headphone case originally comes in here, and basically these are the Beats. So it has a button to pair, you know, just in case the Bluetooth is not picking it up, you can actually press that button and it will actually pair along with your phone. So but usually with iPhones, it should automatically pick up the Beats being open, but keep the earbuds inside the case, because if you don't, it's not going to pair. So these are we're gonna just take one of these out. These are how the earbuds actually look. So this is the left ear. So it's a little bit of a different shape. So it's supposed to like fit in your ear and being comfortable and stuff. So you see the little charging things underneath. So when you stick these back into the case, it will actually charge these little earbuds. And then once you have both earbuds charged fully, you got 8 hours of playing time, so you can watch movies, you can play your music, etc., etc. What I like about these also, you could use one ear and you don't have to have the other ear in. So basically this is the left ear. So if I choose to have the left ear in, then the right ear will just actually stay into the case, just like, you know, my Powerbeats Pro, or just like my AirPod Pros. So basically, you know, they're small. They're basically small. The button is up here. You just press that button to, like, you know, change your music, turn it off. I'm guessing, you know, we gotta play around with it to see where the volume is at, but we might have to actually go to the actual device. Or if you have one of these guys, an Apple Watch, you can actually control your sound through the watch. You can actually tap on it and you can see, you know, what's now playing. So right now, if we wanted to control our music and music was playing, we can control our music by switching it, going backwards, or even the sound. But right now nothing is playing on my watch, but you know, it's good to have one of those watches. But we're gonna actually try to, you know, pair these, and I'm going to actually show you guys how the pairing supposed to be. We're going to actually pair it with my iPhone. So to pair your Beats Studio Buds with your iPhone is that you open the case, give it a couple of seconds, it will indicate that your Beats Studio Buds wants to connect with your iPhone. It's connecting, and then it's going to indicate the battery life of the headphones and the case. So now it's paired with your phone, so that's it. You can go ahead and use your Beats Studio Buds. So I'm going to teach you guys how to work your active noise cancellation and your transparency mode on your Beats Studio Buds. It's very easy. All you have to do is pick up your iPhone and turn it on, go to the right side, slide down from the top, and then it's going to indicate the Beats volume. So all you have to do is press and hold that volume button that your Beats is connected to, and there it's going to take you to the noise cancellation. It's going to let you know that you can turn it off, and it's going to let you know that you can turn on transparency mode. So that's how you connect and work your transparency mode and your noise cancellation. Alright, so I got one of the Beats, the left ear in my ear, and then the other one is inside the case, as you can tell, right here. The case is closed, but one of them is in my ear, so you can still talk on the phone, listen to music, watch movies, and still hear out the other ear. As you can tell, it's in my ear. So basically, you know, so far it fits good. You know, I don't have to worry about it like basically falling out my ear or anything, or losing it like that. So so far my review on this Beats Studio Buds is basically it fits good in your ear. With the medium tip, I was fortunate not having to switch out the medium tips, because it just fits perfectly in my ear. along with the other one, because usually sometimes when I get headphones, it falls on my ear, and that's my worry, where the tips is not going to fit, and it's going to I'm going to get sweaty and it's going to fall. I'm going to lose one, and I'm going to have to get another one, because once you lose one, you can't use your insurance on there. So but basically, it's pretty cool. Like I said, I got it from Best Buy for $149.99, along with the insurance, which was $29 for the Apple Care. So I recommend you get Apple Care, because later down the line, Apple Care is good for 2 years, and later down the line they might break, or the sound might go dim, or anything could happen. They will cover that. You take it to a Best Buy or even an Apple store and get them swapped out for the same earbuds, so you don't lose any money. But they do not cover, Apple Care do not cover lost or stolen. So just keep in mind, if you lose one of the earbuds, then you're going to be out of $149.99 again, and plus the $29 for the Apple Care again.